YouTube, it's Lauren here with another installment of the Simply Curly channel. Super excited for what we're going to get into today. I'm going to talk about one of my favorite DIY masks, but before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe below, like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to start a comment chatter below. What are your favorite DIY masks? Let's get into it, girls. Alright, curls, so the mask is all ready. Here it is. This is how it looks. It's really liquidy. That was a gross sound. Sorry about that. But we're going to get started. So I'm doing this separate from the sink. I'm getting a towel because I don't want this to stain my clothes anyway. Turmeric is really stain potent, so you want to make sure you're safe with that. My face is freshly washed, by the way. I will put my skin cleanser in the link below, or in my description box below with the link, so you guys know it's a really nice brand and it's a glycolics cleanser. So that's awesome. And so we're gonna get started. So I don't have one of those paintbrush things. I wish I did, but that's okay. I'm gonna use my fingers, so it will get a little bit messy. So curls, it does not smell good, okay? We're not going for the smell right now. We are going for the results, which are brightening, diminishing blemishes, and just glow, because that honey gives it a glow and everything. I just love this stuff. So well, that is all, curls. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this video was super helpful to learn how to do DIY turmeric mask. Again, don't forget to do these kinds of things if you're on a budget or you just want to do self-care at home. It's super easy. Using things out of your pantry is awesome. I did not need to buy anything that I had already. So that was awesome, and I super encourage you all to do more of that. Treat yourself at home because natural products are actually better for you anyways. You don't need to buy things with silicone and chemicals and things like that. Use stuff from the earth. It's better for you anyways. If you liked this video and found it super helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up below. And don't forget to subscribe. Why not? If you like natural hair, skincare stuff, lifestyle hacks, why not follow the Simply Curly channel for fun videos twice a week until the end of the year? And lastly, don't forget to comment below. I want to hear from you. I want to hear what your favorite DIY masks are, products, or anything that you've made on your own. I want to hear about it. Until next time, curls, peace and love.